Okay. No, that was not what I wanted to do. So I made it to Abiriba. We made it to Abiriba, not just me. Made it to Abiriba, and we're still going to even get inside. Kaiga Fife Nda Abiriba they made this Christmas. Let's go and see how Abiriba looks like this Christmas. So stay tuned to my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Igbere. Igbere is in Bende Local Government area, and I'm driving to Abiriba, which is in Ohafia Local Government area. Igbere and Abiriba are immediate neighbors in Abia State, Nigeria, sharing a significant land border, with Igbere located to the west of Abiriba. They are close communities within the Ohafia local government area, often considered part of the same general region with shared traditions. Abiriba is described as the immediate neighbor to the east of Igbere. Some other neighbors are, let's say, in addition to Abiriba, Igbere shares borders with other Bende local government area towns, including Alayi, Item, Umuhu, and Ozitem. Both towns, Abiriba and Igbere, are noted for their high level of development and impressive architecture, often being compared to each other. Abiriba is famously nicknamed Small London, while Igbere has sometimes been referred to as New London due to its rapid modernization. Despite minor dialectal differences, the two communities share similar traditions, such as the age grade system, which is used for communal development and security in both areas. So in this video, you'll be seeing a section or some sections of the 67-kilometer Umuahia-Zakole stroke Abiriba to Ohafia road. It is what you are seeing on your screen, and you are seeing how neatly done the road is. The road was reconstructed by the administration of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti. The Umuahia-Zakole-Ohafia road, also connecting to Abiriba in Abia State, is a major infrastructure project recently reconstructed and flagged off by His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Oti's administration, replacing a decades-old poor condition road, significantly improving connectivity, facilitating business, and aiming for balanced development across the region. The 67-kilometer road is being built or has been built in phases to create a modern two-lane highway with street lights, boosting economic activity between Umuahia, Zakole, Abiriba, and Ohafia. So guys, kindly watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. For me, it's the greenery, the topography, coupled with the good road here that makes this place beautiful to me. Was an interesting experience traveling along this road to Abiriba. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. They from Ohafia LGA. Okay. No, that was not what I wanted to do. So I made it to Abiriba. We made it to Abiriba, not just me. We made it to Abiriba, and we are still going to even get inside. Kaiga Fife Nda Abiriba they made this Christmas. Let's go and see how Abiriba looks like this Christmas. So stay tuned to my channel.